Hi, my name is Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm up with the first impressions of Puna store brushes. So it came in a plastic transparent bag with this, and it has a leather purse. So what it claims is that it has 10 brushes, which is true. It has firm grip. We will check it right now. And the hair material, the brush is of synthetic microfiber grade A, and it has wooden handles, and it says that it has antibacterial treated bristles, so that's a good thing. And it's made in China. So I ordered this from Amazon and the MRP is 1499 rupees, but I got it for 540 rupees. I'll mention the link in the description below. So it comes with this leather pouch sort of a thing. You can open this like this, and it has 10 brushes. So it's like this. So it has 5 big brushes and 5 small brushes. So let's check them one by one. So it's packaged like this, which is a good thing, and the grip is good. The brush feels really good and soft on hand. And the best part about this brush is everything is written, like Puna store is written, and the use of the brush, the basic use of the brush is mentioned. So this is tapered face brush. I don't know how they work. I will use it and review it. This is just the first impression. The next brush I have is a round contour brush. So this is slightly angular brush, but it looks really high-end, and I think these are best for beginners. The next brush we have is flat buffing brush. This looks quite interesting. The next brush we have is flat angled foundation brush. I think this will be small for foundation. This will be useful for contouring, I suppose. The next brush we have is angled contour brush. Oh, this is so small. But the bristles are really soft. They are really soft on skin as well. So we are left with now these 5 brushes. We'll open them one by one. They just come in these transparent packaging. So this is for flat top crease brush. This is nice. Next brush we have is this angular brush called flat angled crease brush. This can be used for highlighting also, but it feels really high-end and the material is really good. This is angled crease brush. Both are crease brushes, but the only difference between these brushes, this is flat angled and this is only angled. Like this looks more fluffier than this one. This is flat angled, and this is angled but not that angled as this one. So yeah, and both are for same purpose, I guess. So the second last brush we have is fat pointy dome brush. I think this is perfect to fill the inner corners of the eyes, just to highlight, or a brow bone or that. Yeah, this is also good. The last brush we have is eyeshadow blending brush. This is also nice. These both are almost similar, but this is more fluffy. The flat top crease brush is more fluffy, and this one is little bit angular. Else both are same. So yeah, these brushes you can use it in any ways, like to fill inner corners, to highlight, to dot your foundation or anything. So overall, the first impressions of these brushes are these look really high-end. The brushes are really soft and I'm really excited to use these brushes on my face to do my makeup. Overall, I'm happy with the price and packaging and the number of the brushes. These are, I think, perfect for beginners. And yes, with that, I finished my first impressions on Puna store brushes. I'm really excited to use these brushes and then I'll try to review them quickly. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.